What is up, guys? Welcome back to Motos and Mullets. Here today in the garage, got a fun one for you. Got my dad's bike, and we're gonna surprise him with some new exhaust. Didn't get anything crazy, just some Bassani slip-ons. But when I was looking at the reviews for these slip-ons, it said they weren't obnoxiously loud. So figure my dad would like that. It's a combined gift. Whoa. Okay, so as you guys just saw, I accidentally just threw my GoPro and shattered the glass on the front. So you can see its picture's kind of messed up, but it will do for now because my dad's coming to get his bike tomorrow, so I have to get this done. So, as I was saying, got these because they're not obnoxiously loud, and I know my dad likes that because when he first got this bike, he said it was nice how quiet it is. Now he can hear everything and all that. So, gonna go ahead, open the garage, get you a sound clip of the stock exhaust, and then I'll go ahead and throw these ones on, get an after shot, and we'll see how they sound. Alright guys, got the exhaust all mounted up. Now it's kind of hard to see, but they look pretty sick. So, go ahead and fire it up for you guys. As you guys can hear, they're not too loud, but they have a nice deep rumble. So I think he's really gonna like them. Should be an awesome gift from me, my sister, and my mom. Got these new lights on the front we installed the other day. So he got all kinds of goodies over winter, so his bike's looking pretty sick now. Sounds like a Harley. He's all set to go for riding season. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed the video. Riding content coming soon. It's finally starting to warm up outside. We're ready to go. Got the whole fleet in here. So, catch you guys on the next one. Let her eat, send it in deep. Peace.
I'm trying to set up the camera to capture Papa Reddy's genuine reaction to his new pipes. I obviously don't want to make it too obvious because it's a total surprise, but I don't think he'll notice the camera over here because this is where Brian films anyway, so I don't think he'll think it's suspicious if the GoPro is just sitting out. He'll probably just think Brian forgot it. We will see how it goes. Wish us luck. Hi, editing wife here. So I just realized I accidentally recorded the surprise reaction in time-lapse photo mode on the GoPro, which I didn't even know that was a thing, so sorry I kind of screwed this up, but at least we can kind of see his reaction, and I have the audio from my phone recording, so I'm going to try and piece it all together the best that I can, and hopefully you'll still be able to see his reaction. Bye, guys. I think they look brand new.
They do. Are they the same ones?
Do they look like the same ones?
No.
They're not the same ones.
Where'd you get them from?
Everybody decided to get you new parts for your birthday.
Oh my goodness.
The whole family's in on it.
Oh, dirty dog. Yeah, because the other ones are bent out.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we decided to get the ones that don't bend out so the rest doesn't get in there.
Yeah, the water collects in there.
Yeah.
Nice, thank you.
Yeah. Have like a really deep rumble.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, does Susan know this?
Yeah, everybody knows. Nicole, Jeremy, Susan, everybody went in on it.
Dirty dog. Let's see what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Ah.